Okay, everybody, now that we got it up for sale, let's go over this paint job. Randy wanted me to kind of critique this Maaco paint job, see what I thought about it. And so far from what I've seen, it looks pretty decent. Let's take a look. I mean, you can see dirt in it. It's such a light color, it's very forgiving. So the hail dents just kind of go away. The dirt that's in it, you don't really see it unless you look at it just right. You got to get down, kind of stand on your head, squint just right. So, you know, when you got to do all that, you have to ask yourself, is it really even there? I mean, I like to go take the extra steps and get all that kind of dirt out, but you're not going to get that for the price we paid. And the price that was paid, I think we got our money's worth, man. I think this thing looks great. I don't really feel any overspray on anything, so that's a plus. You know, of course they taped everything around. They're not going to take it apart for that price. I mean, if you want to pay for that, they'll do it, but no, not on this one. This was just going to be a quick, easy flip. So, of course, they taped around everything, and that's what you get for 500 bucks. And it's okay, you know, for a flip car, it's fine, no problem. Let's open up the doors, see what we got inside of here. Now, you remember when we do our paint jobs here, we get in here and we tape up everything. It's time consuming, costs a little bit of money because tape's not cheap. You know, stuff's about $8 a roll, and you'll go through a couple of rolls per car at least. But what that does is that just prevents stuff like that. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to get the camera just right, but there's a little bit of overspray in there. I mean, it's not major. I'm not going to knock them for that because you're just not going to get the jams painted for that price. Everything else looks pretty good. I mean, you can feel a little bit of overspray in there. I mean, it's really not bad though. It's really not bad. So overall, I'd say $500 Maaco paint job, not bad at all. The specific location is in the south side of Oklahoma City over I-240. You local guys will know exactly where I'm talking about. Hey man, I'm gonna give them props on this one. Definitely not a perfect paint job by any means. You're not going to get that for 500 bucks, no way. But for $500, I think they did an excellent job. I like the color. It's forgiving, which is great when you're dealing with these old cars, because hey, they got bumps and bruises, they got dings and dents. So it's kind of nice to have a color that kind of makes some of that go away. I mean, look at it. I mean, can you see them? Can you see any dirt in it? Can you see any dents? No. I mean, see some bug guts, but hey, that's what happens when you drive it a couple hundred miles. So anyway, overall, I think they did a great job. I would totally recommend it if you're doing, you know, cheap little flips, because they actually have like a $300 special. Randy went ahead and paid the extra to get them to feather back the peeling clear coat, which I think was money well spent. And so they kind of went the extra mile on it because of that. But otherwise, you can get like a $300, just a straight scuff and shoot. And as long as your clear coat isn't peeling off, I mean, it ought to look just fine. It'll look every bit as good as this one. So anyway, overall, I think they did a great job. Let's get this thing up here for sale. I got a couple people calling about it already. I think it's a good car. I think it's going to go quick. Well, there she goes, guys. The Trailblazer is gone. We just sold it. They came and got it just like they said they would. That's always nice. I'll let Randy go over the numbers with you on it. She's gone, and that was probably the quickest, easiest sale so far. I mean, we did nothing to this car. We didn't wash it. We didn't vacuum it. We didn't do anything. And we just kind of did that just to kind of prove a point that there's a lot of quick, easy flips out there. I mean, we don't have to buy wrecks all the time and put them together and all that. A lot of times you could get these things and not do anything to them. And it's because they're priced right. We don't jack the price up on them. We're not trying to get rich off one car. So, quick, easy sell. We kind of did that on purpose just to show you how it goes sometimes. like I said, man, anything under $3,000 that's still in decent shape, which that one was, they sell quick. They go fast, and you don't have to do anything to them. We didn't wash it, we didn't vacuum it, we didn't do nothing but sit it out here. We drove it home and put a for sale sign on it, and that is it. And the customer is totally happy with it. So that's a win. Y'all stay tuned.